Hello there, Jax here. Hey Fox, I brought you a course where you'll learn how to develop a progressive web app like Twitter and Instagram from scratch in just 7 hours. In this course, you'll learn designing the vectorized logo and icons, designing the social network layout for different devices, signing up to the social network, uploading the profile picture, updating the bio, enabling the push notifications, following the users, setting up the timeline to see the following's feeds, posting images, posting videos, creating your own video player just like Twitter and Instagram, auto-load and scroll down, sharing with native capabilities, liking the post, posting comments to the post, forwarding the post, reporting the profile, reporting the post, deleting the post, tagging the users, adding hashtags to the post, converting text into clickable links, receiving push notifications, adding the search functionality to the social network, adding the back button functionality, installing the app on the device, and much more. All I wanna say is, just do it!